that M, P, and N are collinear points, calculate the value of K.
Okay, how would you approach this one
And
then?
K, I guess if but according to my knowledge,
Yeah.
the M of MP is equaling to the M of PN. Like the gradients are equal.
The M of MP, like this one, MP, ne? Is equal to the M of NP, like this one.
Yes.
Okay, let's start with the M of NP because we know that one. So you want us to say M of NP is going to be given by Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1.
Yes.
Okay, let's do it alphabetical. What do you have then?
P, I think it's over Y2, my Y2 and X2.
So you have Y2, X2 here, and then here you have X1, Y1.
X1 is.
Okay, let's go then. What do you propose we do then?
2 minus 4.
2 minus 4, ne? All over.
And then 0 minus 3.
0 minus 3. Okay, what do you get as your bracket?
2 all over 3.
2 all over 3. Positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive 2 all over 3, like this. Ne? It's 2 all over 3.
Yeah.
Okay, we are not done. Now we are looking for K. Ne? So what do you propose we do?
And M wa PN is equal to M wa MP.
M of PM.
NP.
Okay, let's get M of PM. So we have Y2 minus Y1 again, all over X2 minus X1 again. And then if we take M and P, you will still come and say this one is X1, this one is Y1. So we can remove this one. We don't need this one for now. Okay. Okay, what is Y2 based on this?
Is 2.
It's 2 minus 1, 0 all over?
Over 0 minus K.
0 minus K. Ne? Okay, and then you propose we do what after getting the both gradients?
Like quita gradient ya PN with gradient ya PN.
Yeah, so we'll say M of PM again. It's going to be equal to M of NP. Ne? And then we know what is M of PM. This one.
Yes.
Try this one. We have 2 minus 0, which is going to give us 2 all over. If we say 0 minus K, gives us minus K again. And we know what is M of NP. What is M of NP?
Yeah. It's 2 all over 3.
It's 2 all over 3. Okay.
Then I cross multiply.
We cross multiply. Okay, if you cross multiply, what do you get then from here?
Minus K2 and 6 is equal to 6.
So you have 6, which is going to be minus 2K.
Yes, and then I'll divide by minus 2.
Divide by minus 2, divide by minus 2. It says what is going to be K?
It's minus 3.
Minus 3. Okay, we'll come and put it here. Then does it make sense for K to be minus 3? X.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, we have K is equal to minus 3. So here we have K, which is equal to minus 3. Okay, good for us.
Yes.
Now, we are going to the next question. The next question says, determine the size of theta, the obtuse angle between the two lines. So we have this angle here.
Yes.
And then they say it's an obtuse angle between line AR and line NM.
Yes.
Okay, how do you propose we do that one then?
So, the gradient line NM.
Okay, let's do this. Then we'll highlight the two lines that are forming the angle that we are looking for again. So this is the angle that we are talking about here. So we're talking about this one. And then we also have this one. And then they're going to intersect with the axis again. If they intersect with the axis, then they're going to form a triangle. And then this is the triangle that they formed. Okay. There's someone who's not. I don't know who's that. But I'm suspecting Basetan. I don't know why. Like I have a feeling which it's Basetsana.
Yeah, but the things are writing Basetsana.
Eh?
Yes.
Hmm.
It's her. The notes are writing. They like have her tag, her name.
All right. So we wanted you wanted to calculate what
The gradient of MN.
the gradient of
That's
MN we
two
have
of
it.
them.
Like the gradient of MN
Yeah,
is equal to the gradient of MP, so we don't have to calculate it again. We got it that we got that one.
yeah. It's 2/3. 2/3.
Eh?
It's 2/3.
Yeah,
And
it's
then
12/3. Yeah, so this is number
ke
2. Yeah.
tlo re tan theta is equaling to tan A, tan alpha
And alpha
is equaling to the M of MN.
is going to be equal to M of MN again. And then we
Mm.
know what and again they are all collinear here. Ne? So you will see alpha is going to be equal to the tan arc of
Tan arc
2 all over 3.
2/3.
Yeah,
Yes.
just 2 all over 3.
And
Okay, sure. And then what you
is
get is
equaling
answer
to 33,69.
33,69 degrees. Okay, sure. So it means which you can come and tell them which you know what is this angle here. This angle here it's 33,69.
9. Yes.
Okay, you are not done then. What else would you do from here?
Yes. Ke tlo nyaka the gradient of line AR, and then I'm given the equation there. So
Yeah,
ke tlo tšea ba re y is equaling to -1 all over 2x plus 4. So -1 all over 2 ke gradient ya.
Yeah, okay. M of AR is going to be equaling to -1 all over 2 again. Because this thing here is already in a standard. For the fact that it's in a standard, you can simply take it exactly the way it is. Okay. And what you do from here?
And then ke tlo re tan of beta is equaling to the M of AR.
So it's going to be equaling to -1 all over 2 like this. Ne?
Yes.
And it
And
says
then
beta is going to be equaling to tan.
arc -1 all over 2 plus 180.
Okay.
Then equaling to 153,443.
153, 43. Okay. So I'll come and put it here. This one here is going to be equaling to 153,43. Sure.
And then we have to cut my thing short. Ke tlo no re 33,69 plus angle theta is equaling to 153,43, and then reason ya ke exterior angle of the triangle.
So you'll say you want to say 153, ne? 153,43 is going to be equaling to theta plus 33,69 again. And then the reason is because what here?
Exterior angle of a triangle.
Exterior angle of a triangle. Okay, and then what you get as a theta?
My theta is it's 119,74.
119, comma
74.
Comma what?
74.
74 degrees. Ne? And then you had 4 marks. Like this thing was 4 marks. So how do you get your 4 marks? We're going to give you 1 mark for getting this one again. 1 mark for getting M, and then 1 mark for this one. I'm going to give you 1 mark for this one again. 1 mark for this one, and then 1 mark for this one, and then 1 mark for saying it's an exterior angle of a triangle. Okay. There's a question. Basatan, where did you find -1 over 2? From the statement here, Basatan, look at the following. Agree, Basatan, we are told, which you said you can't see this one here. Let me try to extend it. Maybe it will be better. Basatana, we're told which AR is going to be equaling to AR. The equation of AR is given as y is equaling to -1 all over 2 plus 4. Then meaning which the gradient of AR is going to be equaling to -1 all over 2 is this part here.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Amude, you want the length of MR. You want to know which one is going to be the length of M and R.
Yes.
Okay. You don't know what are the coordinates of R, but you know what are the coordinates of M again.
Yeah. Yes.
Let's use that into our advantage. Then we can say here we have -3, which goes with 0. But we don't know what's this one here. But we know which y is 0.
Yes.
And then we can get x again.
Yes.
We know the equation. So we are going to say number 3. We have 0, which is going to be -1 all over 2 plus 4 again.
Yes. You forgot to add x.
Yeah. And then from here, you can take this one to the side. It says you have 2x, which is going to be 4 again.
Yes.
And then this one multiplied by this one, it says which x is going to be equal to 8 again. Does it make sense for x to be positive here? Makes sense. Okay, but we are looking for the length again.
Yes.
So if we are looking for the length, we have MR. Since we are on the horizontal line, I think this one is 0, this one here is also going to be 0. So you can use that one by using of saying which, okay, we can say we have 8 minus open bracket minus 3, which is going to give us what? 11. I agree. The y, we shouldn't worry about the y. Look at what's going to happen, guys, because I know what people are shocked. I agree, we can say MR. MR, if you use the distance formula, if you're using the distance formula, this is what you're going to have. I agree, you're going to take this thing here and put it squared again. Plus, you're going to have 0. This 0 again. Minus 0 again. And then this square root and this one, they are going to cancel each other out. Then it gives you whatever is inside, which is going to be equal to what? 11. So you got your 3 marks again. So since we're looking for the area of M, N, and R, so this thing here. And then because we don't have, you're saying because we don't have a 90 degrees, you propose which we construct a 90 degrees again. And then if we construct, so we're going to construct this thing here such that it's parallel to the y-axis again. You'll understand why we want it to be parallel to the y-axis. I agree here. If it's parallel to the y-axis, it means which x is going to be the same here. It's going to be like asymptote there. So what is going to be our x here? So we'll say here we have 3 again. And what is going to be our y? Our y is going to be equal to what? To 0. Né? Now, we don't know what is this length, but we can calculate the length of this line here. Let's call it n alphabet that we can use. Let's call it what? Nj. Né? So number 4, they say which we are going to say which we have nj again. Now 3 and 3, they are not going to be a problem. 3 and 3, they are going to subtract each other out. And then you're going to have top minus bottom again, which is going to be 4 minus 0. What is going to be 4 minus 0? 4. Eh? 4. It's 4. And then here we have 90 degrees again here. Now, if we have 90 degrees here, then it means which we can say, but now we know what is MR. Remember MR. Yes. We got the length of MR as equaling to what? 11 again. Then our base is going to be MR. And then our height is going to be NJ. Okay? Then it means which we can say which our area is going to be given as half the base, okay, multiplied by the perpendicular height, okay, which is going to be half. What is our base? We said it's 11, okay, multiplied by what is our height? It's what? It's 4. And then this thing here, it says which our area is going to be equal to what? 22 units. And then this is how we get our 3 marks. We'll get our 3 marks for getting 4, okay? Substituting, and then we're also going to get what? An answer.